In this simple tutorial video, I'm going to explain how you can make money on SproutGigs. I'm going to cover all of the different ways inside of the website, and I'll give you my recommendation on what way that you should start to start earning money. So on SproutGigs, once you've created your account, you'll be taken first to the gigs page. Now here on the gigs page, what people can do is they can post gigs like they can on Fiverr and promise to do different things. So this person will write 25 articles which are SEO friendly for $4.20. Now if you're just starting out and you're trying to make money, you're not going to be able to post any gigs because you need to work on the website for a little bit first so you can become an advanced user. But one way you can make money is by posting gigs, obviously when your account's got a little bit older. And you can post gigs listing your skills. Now if you don't currently have any skills and you just want to do very simple jobs, then what I recommend you do is go to micro jobs and go to find jobs. And here on micro jobs, SproutGigs allows you to complete different tasks and you can then earn money. So you can see there are 640 jobs currently available. We're filtering by the most recent, and here are some of these jobs. So this job here is to subscribe to a YouTube channel, and this will pay 50 cents, and 44 people will be paid out for doing this. So if we just click on this, and when you have first created your account, you are going to need to verify. So make sure you give them the information that they need so you can make money. I just created this brand new account just for this video. But anyway, after you've done that and you've clicked on a task, you'll then be able to complete that task. Now here, this is a new task. They want people to subscribe to their YouTube channel. It's an international task, and all you need to do is follow the instructions. So what we're going to do here is we're going to scroll down. Do you want to hold this job? This basically means that if you hold the job, while you're completing the job, you're going to hold a space. Like there's only 5 spaces left. Just means people can't complete the job while you're already doing it. But anyway, what you need to do, you need to go ahead and copy and paste this link in the browser, click continue, complete the human verification, and then subscribe to their channel. And once you've done that, you can then submit proof. And literally all you need to do for proof is just send them a screenshot that shows that you've subscribed to their channel and that you've completed the human verification. Now, how exactly do you get your proof? Well, what you can do is you can use different screen capture tools. Now, the most common one and what a lot of people use is Lightshot. And you can just download this for Windows, and I'll just quickly show you how this works, because you are going to need this for all other tasks and if you want to make money. So this is useful. And then what you can do is you can just simply install Lightshot here. Now once you've got that downloaded and installed, if you want to take a screenshot, you just have to click on print screen on your keyboard. That will open up this window where you can then select the area to screenshot. And then if you go to save, you can then save this into your files. Let's say I want to save it to my desktop. Screenshot 2, save. Now we've got that saved, and if we wanted to then upload proof that we've completed the job, and we will go to SproutGigs, and we will then upload this file here, and obviously you will go ahead and find the file on your desktop, and then you would upload it, and then that's how you would complete the job, and you would submit proof and you would get paid. Another way that you can make money on SproutGigs is with surveys. So if you go to surveys, you can complete these different surveys and earn money. Some of these are going to pay you more money than others. Some of these are going to be harder to complete. But here you've got one that pays out 56 cents. You can click on it. It will take you to the survey. When you complete it, you will then be paid. Again, surveys aren't the best way to make money, but they do actually pay. And if you go through these, you can make some decent money, but it might take you a while. You've also got offers, and you can go through these different offer walls here and make additional money. Again, these do pay, but they can take you a while, and this is all based on points here. And one last way that you can make money with SproutGigs is by referring people to the site. So if you go to your profile, you then go to share and earn. You can see here you get a unique referral link, and when someone clicks on that link and signs up, and then they make money, you're going to earn 5% from every task that they do. So if you want to make a YouTube video like this showing people around SproutGigs and put your link in the description, that could be a unique way that you can make passive income. So those are some ways that you can make money on SproutGigs. That was a quick overview. Let me know if you've got any questions in the comments below.